For section 8.4, our objective is to simplify an expression into separate terms of x to the power n, where n is a real number before integration. For this purpose, we are going to start with example part 5, where we are asked to find the following integrals. Starting with part A, we have to find the integral of 2 over x cubed minus 3 into the square root of x with respect to dx. As you can see, the terms inside the brackets are somehow not a familiar form because we have in the denominator of the first term x and then square root. So let's rewrite this expression so it becomes more familiar. 2 over x cubed using the index rules, it's the same as 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 3. This is already studied using the index rules. So when we have in the denominator power, positive power, it goes up to the numerator and it becomes negative. Then minus 3 multiplied by the square root of x. We already know the square root of any variable or number. It means it's to the power half. So now we have the expression with a familiar terms. 2x to the power minus 3 minus 3x to the power half. And we have to remember that when we have dy by dx equal to k multiplied by x to the power n, then the integration y is equal to k divided by n plus 1 multiplied by x to the power n plus 1. And again, we have to remember the constant c. Let's do now part A. We have to find the integration of 2x to the power minus 3 minus 3 multiplied by x to the power half with respect to dx. Let's do it straightforward. Then the integration of the first term is k divided by n plus 1, that is minus 3 plus 1. Automatically it is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 2. The second term, minus 3 divided by half plus 1, which is n plus 1. Let's do it aside. Half plus 1 equal, if we take a common denominator 2, then it's 1 plus 2, 3 over 2. Then it's minus 3 over 2 multiplied by x to the power 3 over 2 plus the constant c. We can now simplify, so we get 2 divided by minus 2 is minus 1x to the power minus 2 minus 3 over 2. It can be 3 over 2, which is the same as 3 multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 over 2, that is 2 over 3. This is going to be equal to 2. Then we can write minus 2 multiplied by x to the power 3 over 2 plus the constant c. If you want, we can stop here, or we can rewrite the expression to be equivalent or similar to the original expression. Minus 1 x to the power minus 2 is the same as 1 over x to the power 2. Then it's minus 1 over x to the power 2 plus 2 x into the square root of x to the power 3 plus the constant c. Now we can say that we worked with indices, so we rewrote the expression in order to be easier for us to find the integration. Now let's go to the part B. In part B, we have to find the integration of x multiplied by an expression that is x squared plus 2 over x with respect to dx. As we observe, we have two terms, terms outside the bracket and another bracket multiplied by each other. Then we have to expand first to be able to do the integration. X multiplied by x squared is x cubed plus x multiplied by 2 over x is the same as x simplified by x is 2. Then the answer for the term is x cubed plus 2. Now we can substitute it in the integration question and do it with respect to x directly. The integration of x cubed with respect to x is x to the power 4 divided by 4, where 4 is n plus 1. And the integration of 2, the constant, is 2 multiplied by the variable x plus c. As you observe, our solution is straightforward after we expanded the original expression.